Hi guys, my name is Richa and I help you in improving your French language. I often come across students asking me, ma'am, how can I improve my French speaking skills? How do I speak? I don't have anyone to talk to in French, um, etc. etc. So that is what I decided to focus on today. What I'm going to tell you in today's video is extremely important, and it is going to help you guys a lot because these are the things that I have done to improve my French language, and it has helped me in so many ways. Trust me guys, it has helped me a lot. First of all, if you are a beginner, I highly recommend you to pick up a few books from which you can learn basic French vocabulary, basic grammar, so that you can form basic sentences, you can describe yourself, you can try conversing with yourself that way. You can talk about what are your tastes, preferences, what your likes and dislikes are, what you like to do throughout your day, like going for movies, going for shopping. So these are the basic things that you can learn. So the book that I highly recommend if you are a beginner is FYJC Guide or SYJC if you want to go a little higher. These books will help you learn the basic French vocabulary and the grammar topics also. And the best part is you can even solve a few exercises based on grammar topics. And you have the solutions to these exercises also in the book, so you can cross-check your answers with the answer key given. Solving these exercises will help you a lot in improving your sentence framing. Now, if you already have the knowledge of French basics and you would want to improve in your language, I would suggest you to buy a Set-Right. This is a guide of 9th standard CBSE board for French. This book has personally helped me a lot in many ways. So I remember going to my French teacher and asking for her recommendations and suggestions as to which book I should refer so that I can improve my grammar as well as vocabulary. And guess what? This was the book that she handed over to me. And I started learning the vocabulary, and I started going through the explanations of the grammar topics. In each chapter you have explanation of a few grammar topics, and then you have exercises based on these topics. And the best part about this book is it comes with a solution set also. So what I used to do, I used to solve these exercises and I used to check my answers. I used to verify my answers with the answer key. Once I got done with standard 9 Set-Right, I got 10 standard Set-Right, and I started solving the exercises. I started solving the comprehensions. The comprehensions, their writing skills, everything helped me a lot in clearing my DELF A2 exams. Now, just buying these books and solving the exercises won't really help you in improving your speaking skills. How do we do that? It's simple. Say for example, in some of the chapters you learned about family. Okay? So what you can do is you can use the vocabulary and the grammar topic that you have learned, and you can describe your family to yourself in French. That is what I used to do. Another thing that I used to do is, and I still do, is I talk about my daily routine in French. I describe all the actions in French. So now what I've started doing is when I am cooking something, or when I am preparing a new dish, I try to say all of that in French language. Like I like to make the list of ingredients in French. I like to say the steps in French. So that is helping me a lot in improving in this aspect. One more interesting thing that you can do to improve your vocabulary and your speaking skills is you can take a 30 days challenge wherein you make it a point that you are learning at least 5 words or 5 phrases or expressions, anything based on your level, and try using those words in your conversation. Speak something using those words that you have learned. The best way to do that would be you can maintain a diary in which you are writing all 5 words, so that way you will have a record of how many days you have worked on your vocabulary, and you can also revise the words that you have learned so that it registers in your mind. I have done this myself. I will show you guys how I have made my vocabulary list. So this is how I make my notes. As you can see, these are the notes for connectors that I want to use for my essays. Then I have list of words that I have prepared. I had come across these words maybe in the news that I read. Then I have prepared the expressions when I was learning the expressions. I also prefer writing paragraphs and checking them just to ensure there is no error in it. This paragraph is based on use of internet, and this is a paragraph that I had written on Me Too movement, describing what the Me Too movement was about. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you found my tips useful. Let me know in the comments section what worked for you. Bisous, Adama.